Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. That'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Panics in the air, do 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 do. Panics in the air. What's going on? Let's turn on some lights. Oh. What's going on, Otter? Gang, 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 gang. Are we worried? I got some more lights here. I got the lunar eclipse one here. Get that side light. Look, see that? See that? Add the silver. Give me some silver. Give me some more silver. Oh, yeah? A little bit more? Oh, yeah. Give them the eclipse. Ooh. What's going on, gang? How we all feeling? Are we a little bit shook? Is everything eating the Tool? Absolutely Tool. Tool is my lifeblood. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys. Oh. Ooh-wee. Down 20% AVAX. $30 AVAX. Guys, you want some $30 AVAX? Got some in the truck. You got anti-vax, and then you got the AVAX, okay? Oh, man. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Well, looks like we're dumping. Dun, 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 dun. Looking at the Bitcoin price. Ecstatic. Yeah, guys. If you a little late to the party, I mean, this is something exciting. I mean, this is something. Oh my God, Retro Mike Tech in the chat. What's going on, man? Thank you for the $5 super chat. Guys, let's see some RMTs in the chat, guys. Let's see some RMTs, man. Don't get it twisted. I'll do it. So many legends here. So many legends here, man. I guess I should do a weekend stream more often, but unless you guys want to watch like snails crawl, typically, right? Unless you want to watch that stuff together. How are we all doing? Philip, what's going on, bro? Merp, what's going on? K-Nick, Ecstatic, Food Forest, what's going on? Justin Eubanks, iBank, be your own bank, Justin Eubanks. BG, Mexi, KYC, remember? Yeah. We got a new sponsor, BloFin, somewhere down here. New sponsor, quite a good deal. Check it out. What do you guys think it is, man? Jeet Corp, what's going on, man? Fud, forget about it. Forget about it. I like that. Forget about it. How many people struggle with your name? Forget about it. Hey, forget about it. Hey, Tony. Hey, forget about it. Okay? Hey, I can do that. I'm Italian, okay? Alexandra G. V Monitor, what's going on? What's going on? Jason, shouldn't you be watching golf? I was laying a floor actually. We're doing flooring right now. I'm done half of the floor with Mrs. Otter, working on that renovation, guys. And Bitcoin is going down. So just a quick update. You know, we're gonna go together. Let's look at the news. Okay. Crypto panic's a good little you know me. I'm a charts guy. Okay, I'm a charts guy. However, crypto panic I think is a pretty good. It gives you a bunch of shit, really. But crypto panic. Okay, and we can look over here, and there's some things here. Iran attacks Israel. Okay, so we can look at that. Let's see what they say there. What else do we got? XRP lawsuit. Who cares? Bitcoin dominance hits 3-year high. Okay, so people going into Bitcoin. Yeah. A lot of you guys are saying war. 73% are war, and cow burps and farts is low. That's carbon tax. Okay, Alex? That's carbon tax. Thank you. Breaking large number of drones hit my portfolio today. What's going on, Lunar Beaches? Crypto, yeah, man. So, Iran attacks allegedly started with a large number of drones attacking. First, they hit Lunar Beach's crypto. Yeah, this is not good, man. This is not good. Now, if you want, we could go. I think this is gonna be if we can go over to Etsy here. And I was looking at getting everybody one of these for their lawn, like a black swan. What do you guys think? Are you bullish? These look kind of small, man. 3D printed black swan. I want like a lawn ornament. I want like one of those big ass black swans. Can you specify what size of black swan events do you want? I want the big ass. Look at this thing. Taxidermy. This looks like the real deal. This is creepy, guys. All right, so this could be a black swan. Swan event. Only $800, guys. Only $800. You messing with me, bro? You messing with me? This is a pretty good job, man. Oh, man. Go back and check what happened when Russia attacked Ukraine. What date was that? If you want to let me know what date that was, we can go and check that. Okay, so I guess, you know, we got an attack, right? We got an attack here, so. Okay. Okay, a lot of people here. Oh, snap, right? So the FUD is in the air, okay? FUD is clearly in the air, and clearly we have had a dump down, okay? So remember, February 2022, okay? Is there a way to jump to dates? I mean, I can find it, no problem. Let's go to the daily here. February 2022. February. I mean, okay. Was that kind of maybe, okay, February, March, April. Yeah, so it was like maybe here. Maybe that. So that would be a, what would it be? About a 20% correction. Okay. I'm out. Good luck to you all. God bless. Thank you, Crypto DGen, for dropping by, guys. Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, we go live Monday to Friday, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also do a morning update video. We also have an amazing Discord, okay? Full of trade setups, people giving it away now kind of deal. So 5 great traders, free, sharing their charts, sharing what they're thinking. We got a morning live show on our Discord as well, done by Brewberry, and a whole bunch of people here helping each other. It's not a signals group. However, we do give you an alert if we are looking for a trade. Okay, so amazing Discord full of good people. If you're new here, come and hang out with us. We also have a couple of channel sponsors. We're sponsored by Market Cipher and our new partner, BloFin. Okay, been using BloFin. It's pretty good. We got a pretty good deal here for sign-up bonus. The first 200 users, big sign-up bonus. So all that good stuff. Shill. But nonetheless, let's jump into the Bitcoin price here. We're trying to calm some nerves, okay? Normally, we don't live on Saturday, but however, we are getting a market move. I was doing some flooring with my missus, and then all of a sudden, we got a big dump. So let's look into the price, right? Everybody's talking about this crazy wedge, and it has broken down, okay? So what has happened? We've come down and we've swept liquidity to the downside. So we're definitely going to have to take a look at the heat map, right? Because the heat map will kind of give us an idea of where everybody is. And then we'll look at liquidations as well. So I'll pull up the heat map. I'll pull up the liquidations, okay? Let's see the heat map here. So looking at the heat map. Whew. Look at all the shorts. Guys, this is a bit different. This is looking a bit different. Look at all these shorts coming in. My God. Woo-wee. Some insider trading here. Some insider trading. Okay, let's go on to the 1 week. Let's get a better idea because we know where liquidity lies. It's around 50,000. Okay, this is not even maybe the 1 month. Around 50,000 is where most of the liquidity of longs reside. Okay. Wow. That's not even giving me that. So we know that the liquidity lies down around 50,000, where people have been getting long. We're currently at 62,000, which is pretty intense. Okay, quite a nice dumperelli, guys. Quite a nice dumperelli on the price action here. It's not letting me zoom out. Yeah, so you can see there is quite a bit of liquidity down below for us to come and get. However, patience is going to prevail with something like this. Okay, so we're not chasing price. I mean, if we're favoring something right now, it's definitely shorts. So it's summertime. I guess we're getting our shorts out of the closet in Canada. So, sheesh. Last hour, we've had 600 million liquidations. Holy shit. That's crazy. In the 24 hours, we've almost had $1 billion worth of liquidations, guys. This is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. A lot of people getting wrecked. So we'll definitely have to look at the price and where we're looking to go. Okay, so let's zoom out. I think I saw Geo point out a bearish divergence here on the weekly. Higher highs, lower lows, something like that. I don't know what he was looking at. Higher high. I saw it on his X. Let's go and see what Trader Geo is saying about this higher high, lower low thing. The only weekly divergence. Okay. I don't know if I agree with this. What do you guys think? Let me click on it. I'll pull it up here. I'm only talking about the weekly divergence with money flow momentum. That's probably nothing, right? So you got your higher high, lower divergence on money flow. Okay. I see you, Geo. And the green vector candles could be recovered. Okay. So this is that right there. And then this is this right here, right? So you got something like that. I mean, okay. That's a bit too lengthy for me, if you know what I mean. What's going on, Jeanette? Hope you're doing well. Mark Dutch in the house. V Monitor, Retro Mike Tech. Overcome 70 times 7. I can't buy the dip anymore. I need Xanax, says Philip. Oh, man. Check the 3-month RSI bear div. 3 months quarterly. Okay, so we'd have to pull up the RSI here. I'm sure I believe you. How about that? We'll go with I believe you. Yeah, I don't think we're getting 8 monthly candles, guys. Okay, so what can we do, right? What can we do about this? Well, the key thing is that we know that the halving is coming. We are getting dumps. And guess what? We're prepared. We got levels. We got levels. We got levels. We even have a bear case for you guys. Remember when we were trading here? Remember when we were trading here? We're prepared, okay? We're prepared. We have all our preparation H that we can possibly hold, okay? Preparation. Okay, so we're going to go, look at this. I was hoping I wouldn't have to turn on this 50K level again. However, to the dot, to the dot, to the window, to the wall, to the sweat drip from my armpits. Okay, so we got 93 people in here and 20 likes, guys. Come on. This is a panic stream. We're supposed to get you guys this update of key levels of where we're looking for support. Okay, we need some support. What's going on, Andy Lee? Hoping you're having a wonderful day, guys. It's the weekend. Touch some grass. I don't know why you're here with me, but I appreciate you guys. So a lot of you guys are saying war, eh? A lot of you guys are saying war. So we have some key levels. We'll go over those. We'll go over Market Cipher and what we can see. Okay, so clearly we were talking about this the other day where we have been coiling down on momentum waves while money flow is coming out. Okay, so that's something to be aware of. However, to me, this is a really good shakeout, right? A really good shakeout. This is going to scare a lot of people. I just got a call from my friend, and he was like, man, I just bought Beam. I bought Beam, bro. Beam, and it's like, I bought it at like 30 cents. What's Beam at now? I bought it at 30 cents. Yeah, I bought it at 30 cents, bro. I thought I was going to win, but now it's lower. Oh, man. And guys, I always talk about time horizon here. What is your time horizon? My portfolio is down like 70,000 right now. That's okay. That's all right. That's okay. What's going on, Army Piper in the chat, my brother? Hope you're doing well, bro. Happy dump weekend. What's going on? So we have some key levels and we have some support, okay? And we have some ideas. We are getting a little bit of a bounce, okay? Nice 4% bounce back up. So we can see that we do have money flow coming out on the daily, which is scary nonetheless. And a confirmed red, not confirmed, but a red dot printing on the 3-day. So not looking good. The weekly candle is absolutely disgusting. Look at this weekly candle. I mean, higher, lower low, pushing downwards here, coming out. VWAP pretty aggressively coming out here on the weekly as well. Confirm red dot. Nonetheless, there is we can build up some hopium if you guys are like. Would you guys like the hopium or would you guys like the bear case? Okay, we'll give you both. Okay, we'll give you both. Now, we told TRD Farmer that he was going to get $155 Solana. We didn't tell him we would get $125 Solana. Okay, that's pretty cool. So guys, like, what is your plan? Are you retiring? Are you think everything's going to zero, or are you buying the dip? Did you buy the dip yesterday and didn't leave enough dry powder to buy the dip today? Pretty insane to see all these absolute legends in the chat. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys, man. So let's get into the 12-hour. Actually, okay, let's get rid of this trend line here. let's track momentum on the 4-hour. Okay? And let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. We got to pull up those lower levels. We got to pull up those lower levels. So going on the 4-hour on Bitcoin here, we got those lower levels that we can see that. Oof, that was off by a little bit, like $100. Okay. So we got our lower levels here, guys. Now this is going to be where we're looking to trade for now, right? I'll expand these. I will share this out in the Discord. So now you guys have all my lower levels from before. Okay, we'll go over here and we'll share it like we always do. Because we got a super fire ballistic XPL Adocious amazing Discord. Okay, so Discord, I was gonna come on here and make a Fibonacci video for you guys today. Maybe I'll do that later on. But you guys have been asking lots of good questions here in the question place. So I'm going to be making some videos for you guys just to answer some of your questions. Very grateful for the participation awards. I can hand them out. But yeah, it's ugly out there. It's ugly out there. So we are holding on for dear life, right? Right here we are holding on. So this is like our last real order block down below here. And you can see that holding up for dear life. Okay, that's clearly what's happening right now as we have rolled over from a little bit of support. Now I saw Kyle gave a setup for a long here for momentum to continue upwards and onwards from here. Okay. However, the news came out, and you can't plan for news, guys. You can't plan for news. Okay. So you can see this would have looked good like as a breakout, but I said Friday evening after the dump that if we work up if we have a flag to the upside like this, we're probably coming down. I said that. You can go back and watch it. Okay. So I said that. Nonetheless, I don't trade on the weekends typically. So we have definitely rolled over. Okay. We've definitely rolled over from here, coming down into our bottom order block. Okay. So that's going to be where we're at right now, right? Like, so how does it ripple effect over into alts? Where are we looking to trade? Well, like I said, we're going to track momentum to the downside. So I'm going to go off of this high here. I'm just going to have this kind of momentum tracking down now. So we can look for that continuation and then the dump, right? We could retrace up to some key levels up top here. So we can pull up those as well, where we are looking to retest certain highs, right? Retest certain highs. But clearly, we were talking about this being a lower low and an ABC correction. Well, this to me seems a lot more aggressive, where I would look for something like this now. Okay? It's a lot different. So, like, I don't know about basic Elliott wave theory. I'm not an Elliott wave theorist, okay? Like ancient astronaut theorist. I'm not that guy. But what I do know is that this is no longer a simple, A, B, C, and then onwards and upwards, right? It's not one of those, okay? It's not an ABC. Let me get rid of that. It's not an ABC correction because it's gone further, right? I would love to get Cones on here, and he would probably say this is, this is probably a one complete move right here. So we can go that to that, like that, right? So we still have another wave, in my opinion, somewhere down. Okay? That's what I would anticipate after this, because we did not hold where we just were, right? We've rolled over from that. Okay? Market structure, looking for that. So a possible retracement, retest up, right? So you can see we got this big wick up here. We came back up another 5%, right? So look at this. We're coming up another 5%-ish. Let's say up to this 62,000 area, right? Key level. So 63,000. Let's look at Ancient Astronaut Community says yes. Oh, man. A lot of people voted greed too. A lot of people voted greed. And if you ever want to know what fear and greed index in our Discord, just type /FG and it'll spit it out for you. 72, okay? 72. Interesting. So yeah, now you're coming back up. You're retesting the lows here. So if you want to get into this, the nitty gritty, I mean, it's another waiting game, right? Positioning yourself in the best place to make money, right? Clearly, the long was up here, or the short was up here. We didn't get it, so now we can pull a fib within all these lines within our charts, right? From swing high to swing low. Okay, we can target down here. I would target. You see, right now, there's not enough structure, in my opinion. This would be a red zone. Okay, so this would be a sell zone that's going to naturally hold us down, matching up with confluence within our support and resistance areas. You can see how this touched pretty much perfectly to the level, 60,000, psychological 60,000, right? So things definitely want to be holding this up, where we can look for a little bit of a bounce, right? Like for me, I didn't think there would be any volume, but we got the news today. So I would expect this flag to the upside and continuation down, right? After doing a top-down analysis, right? So if we go into market cipher, what is it suggesting? Well, we look at the 12-hour here. Market cipher, very indecisive up top here and then rolling over, right? You can see the VWAP is flattening out, which is a good sign. So you can look for a little bit of a pushback over the next couple days, okay? A couple prints, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it pushes back a little bit on the VWAP. And then you can look for continuation downwards, okay? I don't believe that we will open positive Monday, okay? Because think about it. Everything's asleep right now in the stock market. Think about it. Everything is sleeping in the stock market. So what are they going to react to in the morning, right? In the morning. Look at the ES right now. Look at the S&P. Okay, move down. But look at the ES right now. Okay. We'll look at the ES Sunday night. We'll look at the ES and see the mini futures, right? And see what it does. Probably opening to the downside, right? Gapping to the downside, continuation. Okay, something to be aware of. But overall, right now, big sell-off, right? Big sell-off, big engulfing, doji, indecisive, bearish, right? So here's our black swan, whatever you want to call it. We'll see how long it continues for, but we be prepared as traders. Now, guys, I'm not going to be doing a super long live stream, so throw your alts that you want me to look at in the what's going on. Paper Planes, good to see you. Good to see you post. What's going on? Sprouse, what's going on? Food Forest, CME Gap has closed. That's good to see. But put your alts in there. If there's anything you want me to take a look at, I'll look at it quickly. But this isn't going to be an extensive stream. It's just to come on and kind of, let's take a deep breath. Yes, things are crashing. Things are down. 60-cent Matic, okay? Matic was at $1. And this is what we can prepare for, right? We hold some dry powder. We wait. We be patient. For me, I have about 20% dry powder on the sidelines right now, but I'm not allocating it until I see corrective structure to the upside, okay? So until I see Bitcoin find a bottom and put in higher highs, then I'll look for that retest wherever it is. Let's see it gets up to here. I'll look for the retest to allocate my dry powder, okay? Have a plan, okay? One thing interesting to note is that the price of Bitcoin is, so like, I don't know how to explain it, but the price of Bitcoin at the rate that it's being mined across the board is definitely $30,000, okay? So that's what it's costing to mine. Now, once the halving happens, the cost to mine a Bitcoin will be $60,000. Okay? So once the halving happens, that will mean that a lot of miners that don't have cheap energy or whatever it is will be underwater if we go below $60,000. So that's something to keep in the back of your mind, okay? Is that if we drop below here, which is quite possible, okay? that we could be looking for a bit of a panic sell on a lot of things. All right. Interesting. Wondering if I need to cut her off and buy back at lower levels. Don't want to lose all my P. What was the news, bro? Yeah, so there was a drone attack on Israel, supposedly. Okay? That's what I've heard. Israel, Iran attacks, Bitcoin down. That's what I've heard. You can see here. Panic in the air. So, I mean, it's not a pandemic. I don't know how to make it. I don't know how to make it sound better. Okay. I'm done trying to time the bottom. Yeah, I agree. What's going on, Hayden? You ever look at BTC production cost chart? No, man. Send it my way. I would love to take a look, bro. That's awesome. I just watched some news, and apparently they launched drones, but they'll take hours to arrive. Oh, well, they got Biden drones then. Paper planes 100x long incoming, man. I know you got it in you. XRP and Render, we'll take a quick look at them. So, guys, you have my levels. I've sent them to you guys in the Discord, so you have them there. You can add them to your charts where you're looking to trade. Okay, isolating price, up and down, all around, all that good stuff. We're looking for a flag out on Bitcoin right now. To me, right now, the best trade is no trade. Right now, I am not trading. Okay, I'm not trading. Right, I'm looking for a flag. Come up to about 63,000 somewhere within this area, and possibly a short. Okay, but right now I'm not going to trade. I'm probably going to go have a shower and relax because it's Saturday, and I've been doing flooring all day. Okay, but it's a great time to buy, in my opinion. You got across the board. You got $20 injective. Okay, my average price on injective is somewhere up here, $32. Alex O'Crypto buying the tops, okay? I think my Celestia is somewhere up there too. Everything else is pretty low. Like I bought Render down at $4. Yeah, everything else is pretty low. So I'm pretty comfortable with my buys. My only buys that are underneath water are Injective and TIA and Arbitrum because I bought late. Okay, I bought late. Yeah, see? Underwater. Oh, panic. Sell. Right? Sell. Okay? I'm transparent with you guys, okay? But you can look at my Bitcoin buying. Right? And we're doing all right. Okay, so nonetheless, it's not time to panic. Let's look at Render, though. I mean, I bought $4 Render. You might have an opportunity to buy $4 Render. Oof. Coming down, retesting highs. Okay. Look at that, banging perfectly to that level of support at 583. Okay, you got 3 levels below you here at Render. 616. Naturally, you want to see it reclaim support here. So that's all right. Okay, so that's good. You can see Render is holding this area here. Okay, so I would expect Render to try and move within this range. If it's not going to move into this range, you could look for a retest around $5, okay? Look for the retest around $5. You do have a little bit of support within this area here. Your closest one being, yeah, that's 616. That's your closest one. You can see it bounced off the one from below, 583. But it does look like it's rolling over, man. It could be a great buying opportunity. You can see on the right-hand side here all my support and resistance levels that we are looking for. And look at this one. It basically touched it, right? But yeah, I would expect it. Just saying, if we go lower on Bitcoin, this is coming lower. But you can see you do have some volume here around $6.80 to $8. So I would expect it to hang out in this range here, unless we keep going down. And then clearly the bounce afterwards. If we do bounce, we bounce up and we try to come up to this $8, right? If we don't bounce, then we roll over and we come possibly revisit the highs here at $5.20, which I mean we bought down at these lows here. But yeah, man, it's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Good dump. Good dump, guys. Looking at XRP quickly. Is there anything else you guys want me to go over? Because this isn't going to be a long stream. XRP, woof, 44-cent XRP coming down to old bear market lows, okay? Let's pull the volume across here. Naked point of control. Okay, yep. Needs to get above 45 cents. Needs to get above 45 cents, okay? The Otter Gang will never die. No, we will continue to show up for you guys. A hot bath and Epsom salt helps with the aches from doing flooring. Yeah, flooring is a bitch. I had the knee pads out, and you can make all the jokes you want. Flooring is not nice to your body. We'll put it that way, okay? Not nice to your body. ETH, Sol, and FET all in the green still. For your DCA, yeah, flooring is the worst. Yeah, flooring sucks. Flooring sucks. So yeah, you're looking for 45 cents for you to get above 45 cents. Flip it to support. You can see you have your volume node here, so you want to be up in here trading, right? If you fall down, you're coming back to this point of control, right? And then you're within this very ugly range down below, which is sub 40 cents, right? You're looking at 35 cents. However, right now, if this holds, right, you could be pushing back on and upwards, okay? Between 54 cents and 45 cents, okay? But really, you want to see getting into this volume pocket here and trading within there. Okay, that's going to be indicative of holding its level, okay? Avalanche, I saw in the chat. Oof. Look at this. Ooh-wee. So your next level is $25, okay? $25 Avalanche, okay? Hoo-wee. I mean, we bought Avalanche here at $9. Yeah. We bought $9 Avalanche. That was pretty sweet. But looking at this right now, whew. Yeah. If you do not hold here, like a lot of the things are on the second level of the falling off point, okay? Second level, falling off point. If you do not hold this and you do not build some structure within this range here, work your way back up to like the point of control of this range. Yeah, so you literally need to get back up, let's say, expansion. Yeah. There's the lows here. There's some lows here. Yeah, I would say getting above $33 is going to be crucial. Otherwise, you're coming down to 24, right? You're coming down to 24. You do have a little bit of support down here at 30. Okay, 30 is probably a psychological level as well. Okay. To me, this is not a panic time. This is a time to practice emotional control, to practice a buy the dip mentality, right? Okay. H bar, going over to H bar. I see H bar there. So we went over H bar in the live. Clearly blasted through 83 just recently. So we're back down to the bottom of the range. Look at that. Same kind of deal, guys. So same kind of deal, right? You can see the highs here, the lows here, really respecting that level. You want to see a trade within this range here, right? You're getting a nice bounce on H bar. Let's see where your volume lies within this area here. Yeah, so a bit choppy, but you can see you do have major support. I would say around, yeah, let's call it 70 cents, okay? That's going to be your next major support here. You can draw that out, right? That'd be your major support, right? And then you can see, very wavy price action, but nonetheless, most of your trading's done right around 80 cents. Okay, so 80 cents, you would look to move up to 80 cents from here. Okay, up to 80 cents and see what happens with Bitcoin, right? And then if Bitcoin gets rejected again, you're coming down. It's very simple, right? You're coming down to retest the previous support and resistance over here, right? You can see the biggest volume that is traded on H-bar. If we pull over this thing here and we go for your big range here, right, is definitely right around 60 cents. Okay, 60 cents is your major 63 cents is your major laser support. Okay, so control my emotions. No emo here. Just said that. I love dips. I live dips. Haven't had Xanax in a CV minute. Pillow doesn't sound too shabby. Oh, man. Xanny bars and chill. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Hey. Dog with hat. Dog lost his hat, man, in the wind, okay? Dog lost his hat. Got bonked into hell. Cock is pretty flaccid. It's pretty flaccid, Mr. Cock in you here. And Snack is it's not slithering too well. Some of our favorite projects, okay? Caspa, down to 10 cent Caspa, guys. We were buying down here. This is my buy level on Caspa, 10 cents. Okay? Great opportunity in my opinion. Injective, great opportunity in my opinion. ICP, coming down testing the lows, $11, guys. You can see how ICP rips, okay? Optimism, Arbitrum, both down heavy. Arbitrum, $2.26. It's a 2x from here. Optimism, 2x from here. Okay? Ethereum's down, holding on for dear life. My God, you can see there's a little bit of a trend line here that Ethereum is probably going to come down and retest. Okay, what are we seeing though, guys? Nonetheless, this is still higher lows, guys. This is still higher lows. Don't get it twisted. This is some scary stuff for a lot of people. I try to keep a level head for you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Solana. You can see the trend line on Solana as well. Okay. Higher lows, still performing well. Okay, still performing well. I think this is an opportunity. Now, doesn't mean when you jump onto the grenade. Don't jump on the grenade, okay? But nonetheless, be patient, right? My time horizon's mid-2025, okay? If you need to look at it, okay, let's look at it quickly, and then I'm going to go. Look at the Gaussian channel. Let's go over. Let's zoom out. Let's go on the weekly. Right, we got Chris Svensson here. Level-headed, right? So you get your halving, which is the dashed line. Okay, the dashed line's the halving. 40 to 80 weeks after the dashed line. 40 to 80 weeks after the dashed line is typically your tops, okay? 40 to 80 weeks. This is COVID over here. Look at this. COVID drops 56%. Okay? 56%, 60%. Okay, we get the run up. We get a dump down. Okay? And look what happened. Look how stupid COVID looks in comparison to this big, girthy, massive bull run. Okay? Now I know the COVID thing happened before the halving. So if we look at where we're at now, green Gaussian channel, okay? Halving's coming up right now as we speak in a parabolic rise still in this parabolic rise. You know, if we take this to here and we go 50% down, can you guys stomach that? 30, $40,000 Bitcoin? $40,000 Bitcoin? I know I can. I'll buy a couple coins. Bring it on, baby. Bring it on. Because my time horizon to sell is up here. Okay? So having 40 to 80 weeks after the halving is typically where we peak on the bull run. Okay? So we still got lots of time, guys. Okay? We still got lots of time and lots of patience. Okay? Thank you guys so much for being here. I thought I'd just come on and refresh you guys with a little bit of an update. Try to calm your nerves. If you're new here, come and hang out with us. We're here Monday to Friday. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. This community is the shit. It is the best, isn't it, man? You guys are amazing, man. I'm going to go and clean my ass because I'm a dirty carpenter who did a bunch of flooring today, and I need to relax. So, my friends, be patient. Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin's going to do. We got our key levels of support up and down, side to side. We're going to make money, okay? We're great traders here. There's a whole bunch of us helping each other, so let's do it together. Thank you guys so much for your time. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Kush, just because you super chatted doesn't mean I'm going to check it, but I'm going to check it, okay? Mark Dutch, I see it. You guys want to keep me, eh? Velodrome. Let's take a look for you, my friend. Hope you're doing well, Kush. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Let's take a look. Let's take a look for you. So you can see here, you got some volume in here. Yeah. And yeah. Okay, going over to the 12. Retro Mike Tech giving away memberships. My guy, man. Thank you so much, Retro Mike Tech. Kush is my cologne. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Luke Zaldana was gifted a membership by Retro Mike Tech. Thank you so much, Retro Mike Tech, for supporting the channel. I appreciate you, brother. God bless you, man. Thank you so much. Kush is my cologne. As we were going on here, we can see you got highs. There's not a lot of volume and data here. So you got your buy level down here. If shit hits the fan, this is your buy level. If shit hits the fan, this is your next buy level. Okay? And if you come back within this range, well, then you're looking to chop sideways. You'll probably come to the bottom of the range down here. Okay? You want to pull fibs from the top to the bottom. It's matching up. 236. That's your big sell wall. Okay? Those are your two buy levels that I would look for Velodrome. Okay? Keeping it simple. Sandwich in here. Look for it to trade within this area here. You're at the lows, so you typically long down here. Right? If you fall down below here, you're coming down within this range down here. You got major support coming in right around this level here, 0061. Okay? You guys kept me longer than I was meant to stay. However, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind. Thank you guys so much for being here. Paper Planes was gifted a membership as well. Thank you so much. Retro Mike Tech, man. Spoiling me on the weekends, bro. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your generosity, man. It means a lot to me. Guys, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys Monday. PMB tonight. Party, party. Much love. Peace out. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard.